My name is Brett Hoornaert and I work for the Planning Partnership in Toronto, and I am a landscape architect. We were looking for a paving stone for the streetscape that was sophisticated and contemporary and would meet the City of Toronto's requirements for durability. Working closely with the reps at Unilock, we chose the Promenade plank paver with the Umbriano finish because it provided both the aesthetic we desire as well as the durability and longevity that we needed. Unilock was a great partner through the design phase. They not only helped us choose the color, the paver size, and the pattern, but they were also anticipated potential issues down the road. And this helped during the construction phase when they were on site, helping the contractor, making sure that the paving installation was as high quality as possible. So we're continuing to work with Unilock on phase 2, and it's really exciting to see it come together because although we had unit pavers in the roadway on phase 1, on phase 2 we have it from building face to building face.